Namaskar. We had discussed about Aalingan in our previous lesson, where we had learned that Aalingan means to embrace. In our last class, we had seen one type of embracing. Now, the technique depends on the character whom you are embracing. The technique I had shown in the last class is done when we are embracing our beloved. But what technique should we use when we embrace a child or a little one? Obviously, the height of the child is smaller, so we move back a little and then hold the child or lift in our arms. We may rock the child, or perhaps we can put the child into sleep, depending on the story. The basic feeling in such type of embrace is caring. So we will see another variation of Aalingan here. Here, the palms should face each other like this. Instead of going the other way round. Now let's practice both variations of Aalingan once again. Number 1. Chest goes back a little, then stretches forward, arms rotate like this. One hand is a little higher as it goes beyond the shoulder. Now, variation number 2. Move back a little and then embrace palms facing each other, this time like this. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. The differences that can be observed between the two variations are: number 1, body alignment. Number 2, position of arms. Number 1 is this and number 2 is this. Now, with the Nagma. That's all for today. If you have any queries regarding the class, please feel free to do so in the comment section. Also, for detailed online and offline class, you can mail me. You can find my mail address in the description box below. See you in the next class. Till then, practice hard, practice properly. Happy dancing. Namaskar.